If you see what we can see, then advance your way. It's for all of us. There's a place that we should be. Come along, 'cause it's high tide and we can't lose. Come and drift away with us.
Okay, so we've done a bit of rubbish removal on the little boat with the 2.6 horse or something off like that. Got a barbecue for next weekend. Got some nets, which I'll show you what the nets for in a minute. Some tables, some mats, post knocker. Not really achieved much yet. It's like gone nearly 2 o'clock, but tried to run the engines, but typically the batteries are flat and they're not really taking a charge, so I think I'm going to buy some new start batteries. But later on today, when the water vanishes, I'm going to be jet washing the hull, just to see if anything comes off, really, because then all next week it's quite nice weather, so it should dry out for ready for our painting party. So thank you to everybody who's said that they're coming to the party, which is going to be a massive help. Right, get it set up. So what we've got going on there, if you can see, got a submerged pump. Tide's going out, so that won't be submerged for very long. But at the moment we've just filled up our blue barrel, you know, our blue barrel downstairs, and now that's been pumped then through this hose. So this hose is going through a 24 volt pump with a screen on it. Got to connect that into the jet wash, and I'm going to do some jet washing. It'd be great to have just a hose, wouldn't you? You could just turn the tap on and water comes out. But...
all this water and no tap.
Water, no tap. Right, I'll meet you on that side, Dad. So now we've got a hose pipe. It's coming from our... oh, there's air coming out. So in a minute I'll probably have to walk out the pump to deeper water when we get low, but we might have to find another extension lid.
Okay.
I think there's a red one downstairs you could use. You need to buy a massive big extension lead. No, I think I'm ready. We're ready for jet washing, that's great. So. Nets, we need nets. See, we thought like this will be quite good. It's actually debris nesting for scaffolding, so it's pretty strong. It's like a fishing net.
Yeah, it looks like a fishing net.
Like, hopefully it's going to catch our flaky paint. Caught him, Mum. Yeah, Dad. Right, so what we just realised is we've just emptied our big blue bucket, we've siphoned back schoolboy error. So now I'm going to have to go and get muddy now and go and put that in deeper water. You should be filling now. Right, Dad, I think we're ready.
So I've just switched the pump off and I'm going to see if this is working for a minute. How's it going?
It's not really doing it. Not too slow. I should have brought more powerful jet wash. Why does it keep making that noise? Explain what's going on, that my mum just said to me. What? We're going round in circles, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah.
So I've literally just blocked up my little filter, so because the jet wash keeps like potentially using more water than we can supply, but technically it shouldn't do.
So we've got a little bit of a problem. Although we've got the pump in the water, the tie kit's going out, so we're going to try and make a little bit of a dam.
There's some good days and some bad days. So, oh, it's a quality piece, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good old mum, eh?
Good job the camera's not on me.
Oh, look at that.
Solid.
Still got all this to do, yeah. Next week the ground will be hard, I promise. How you get on, Dad? Oh, you're making a right mess, aren't you?
Absolute mess.
Oh, look at it, you've done nothing. Yeah, it's sunny on the other side.
Paint is that thick in some bits.
Hmm.
It's just been years and years of going over. They've never stripped it back, have they?
No. Alright, go on, 18 now. So, quick update. We've been doing this for, how long have we been doing it for now?
About an hour.
About an hour, okay. An hour with the jet wash. Is that including actually setting the jet wash up and...
No, about
No.
yeah, setting it up and doing
Setting up,
yeah.
about an hour set up and do it. Anyway, you know how long it takes to get a jet wash out, don't you? That's what we achieved. Just to get some scale into it. There you go. So we're going to proceed and just see how far we get. I think just scraping is the easiest way. So the sharper scrapers are working a lot better, as demonstrated by my mother. Go on, Mum. It doesn't work now. Oh, Dad's doing it. He's beating you.
You came at a bit that...
Oh, fail. Oh, there you go. See, Dad did it. He just went. Right, hey, stay sharp then.
He's doing my bit like I was doing.
Can I have it there?
Yeah, and
Come on, look. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at it here. Look, it's coming off, mate.
So, yeah, sharper scrapers is. We found a bit of heat works wonders, didn't it?
Yeah.
But then we don't really want to heat it because we're just sort of glancing at it. But behind these planks going this direction, there's.
Yeah, I've just got that off your wind.
Oh, hang on. Hey, check the size of that one out. Good one. So behind here, there's another one, but behind this, there's a thing called calico, which is like a waterproof membrane. But we don't really want to heat that up. And it'll use copious amounts of gas on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we don't like that. Scrape power. So that's like an hour's work, yeah? So Might take a while, what do you think?
Yeah.
Jet wash, no good. Scraping is the way forward. We've got a big like net. So the catch of the day is paint.
Just you need to film what conditions we're working in. Just have a look at.
Look what my mum's done to the handle.
You did that.
Well, I can't do that. I've got clean hands.
I've only just touched it.
It's quite good for your skin, all this mud. So there she is. She's a big girl. So we're going to be painting all of the hull. All of the white of the hull. How's my dad? He's been for a tinkle. Painting the ladder. Is he cleaning the ladder? So the jet wash is working quite good now. I think it was the block filters. So.
I think you might have had pink lights.
No, the filter, that was a bit tidy up time. They look pretty. Oh. That's gonna come. So yeah, we didn't really achieve too much, but what we achieved was part of the goal, wasn't it? Yeah.
It was all an experiment, wasn't it? See what you could do best.
Yeah, so we've educated ourselves a bit about scraping paint. Yeah. I'd have thought it'd been dead easy, but apparently you need sharp scrapers, so all the scrapers are by, I'm going to sharpen. Jet wash, far too much. It's just hard to pump the water into the tank, keep it filtered, keep the... everything just gets full of mud. Yeah, amazing work. We were sort of cleaning ourselves. Why did you look at Dad, right? How much work have you done? Dad must...
Look at that.
Mum, how did you say so clean?
I said on the map. The map we put down to stay clean.
Yeah, Mum used a broom in. Dad just went, oh, I forgot about the map. Yeah, so we moved a load of stuff over. Ready for next week. Our barbecue, tents, stuff, scrapers, rollers, you know, all that got floated over. So hopefully next week goes well. The weather's give good. The tides are really low, so the ground should really be hard, really dry.
That was the major thing today, wasn't it? That being so
it was
muddy.
hard work. Yeah, I think if we didn't have wellers on, we'd have had trench foot.
I think it went over wellies at one point.
Yeah. Oh, no, I think I slipped over. Might call it. I don't think so. We'll have a look. So yeah, thanks for watching. Unfortunately, we haven't had Gemma today, but
I think she's off somewhere having fun.
She's off somewhere having fun without us, so good. So just a quick one, you know we don't like thinking, but my mum's actually a patron, aren't you, Mum?
I am.
What do you get for being a patron? She gets to watch the videos early.
I get to watch the videos.
We do a lot of behind the scenes stuff, don't we?
Supporting Simon and Gemma.
Supporting us. So without patrons and stuff like that, it'd be quite difficult to do. So
yeah, thank you everybody.
Yeah,
who's donated on Patreon. No, but it's great. It's just a nice thing to do, and it's I started doing it because we couldn't get here on the boat, but now I'm here working. I'm paying you.
That's right. Yeah. Oh. You got to get your cruise, aren't you?
And also, he's scammed me into buying him something on Amazon.
Yeah, you know what Mum said before, right? I'm going to get you something so you can write, because okay, I had some batteries connected before. And I said to Mum, can you remind me to unplug these batteries, because I usually get home and I go, oh god, I didn't unplug my battery. So Mum went, I'm going to get you something to write on. I went, oh yeah, that'll be great. Well, like a whiteboard. And what she actually meant is she's going to go and find me a piece of paper.
A pen and paper.
like but so I've she's now buying us a nice whiteboard. That was good.
It should arrive next week.
Fingers crossed, eh? Shows again. Good. See you later, guys. Thanks, bye.
If you see what we can see, then adventure waits for all of us. There's a place that we should be. Come along, 'cause it's high tide and we can't lose. Come and drift away with us. Come and drift away with us again. that you're on board. Let the love we share take hold of you as we move a little more. Come along, 'cause it's high